Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. Bitcoin, daily chart on Bitcoin. We are still bearish. However, Bitcoin doesn't know what to do here. We are spending time at around this crucial area, which is the neckline. We are around the neckline, and we are also in this wedge, which is a bullish sign. So um, there are two conflicting signs. There's this head and shoulder pattern, which is a bearish sign, but this we also have this wedge, which is a bullish sign. So which will win? If we stay above this neckline, then the bulls will win, and then we will break out to the upside. Once we have a daily close above this trend line, above the 20-day EMA, then I think we can turn bullish on Bitcoin, and this wedge is suggesting that we are going back all the way to the top, which was 66,000, something like that. So yeah, we could also have here a small W pattern. We could have a low, and yeah, it doesn't look so bad, but could be a higher low. It's a little bit forced, but let's see. I want to measure it for myself. The price target. I love having price targets. So once we break the neckline of this sort of W pattern, the neckline is right here at 44,250. So once we break that, then my price target, we are going above the 50-day EMA. That's a good sign. Then my price target is 48,940. And if we have a body close above the 50-day EMA, then of course my prediction that we are going to the top is confirmed. Let's go over to Ethereum. Ethereum, similar situation. We have this trend wedge. Is it wedge or so? But anyway, we are also developing could be a W pattern here. Yeah, and if we break above the neckline is right here, these tops, then let me measure it. Then I will have a price target for Ethereum, and let's see. But we are still bearish, so we are trying to turn around. Let's see if we can do that. But once we break above there, then we will turn bullish, because then we will probably break above 20-day EMA and break above the 50-day EMA. Once we have a daily close above the 50-day EMA, that's a very good sign. So my price target is actually 3,890, something like that, somewhere there. So this is my price target for Ethereum. We could turn bullish here. Let me have a quick look at the weekly chart. This is a weekly chart. I don't know if it's a wedge or no, but anyway, on the weekly we can see that we bounce back to the upside from the 50 MA. On the weekly we are still bullish. Ethereum is very bullish on the weekly, and we are starting our way, and probably we will get to the 20 EMA, but with my price prediction we will get above there and hit this first resistance. Once we come above 3,900, then 4,100 is the next target. Once we go above there, then previous top is the next price target. So that's about Ethereum. Very simple to trade right now, considering all these facts, with of course with stop losses, because Yeah, you never know. Anyway, Cardano. Look at Cardano weekly chart. On the weekly chart, we have a big wedge for Cardano. This is a wedge for me, suggesting that once we break to the upside, have a weekly close above this trend line, we only have wicks above this trend line, then we might come back to the top. Yeah. Until then, 50 EMA is the first price target if we are bullish. So 1.48, and then this 1.6 is an area of resistance. Once we break above the 20 EMA, then we could go to 2.08, and then of course the next 2.3, 2.43 will be the next area for me. Let's see if we get we have something on the daily chart. This is Cardano, and that's the daily chart on Cardano. Okay, so we are developing a triangle. Since we started our way to the upside, this could be a bullish sign for me. And let me see if it's more clear on the 4-hour chart, because then I could have a price target for short-term price target for Cardano as well. Well, let me see. So this is the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we turn bullish, and let me just have a closer look at it. Yeah, this is a sort of triangle pattern right there. And let me just measure it for myself. The price target for Cardano from the top. Here we go. This is the top to the bottom of this triangle. There's bottom, and then let's put it around here. So 1 point. Actually, this is the this is an area of resistance here. That's a good price target. 1.386, 1.39. So around this area, this is my price target right now. And if so, we will break out of this falling trend line and we will turn bullish probably on the daily as well. So we have hope for Cardano to turn bullish. Good news. Let's have a quick look at Litecoin. So Litecoin, this is the 4-hour chart on Litecoin. What do we have here? We have a nice move to the upside. We turn bullish on the 4-hour chart. Let's go over to the daily chart. On the daily chart, we are above the 20-day EMA. That's nice. We couldn't do that for quite some time. And we are probably going over to the 50 EMA. So for Litecoin, 155 is my short-term price target. Previous top is resistance. 165 is resistance. 165, 170. If we break above 170, then 200, 210, and 220, 230. This is an area. Of course, there's resistance here. but we are going to 210 then. So my price prediction right now for Litecoin is probably 155. Good, that's good news. Okay, that's all for now. See you next time.